Marketing your school community is key to growing your membership and building a loyal following. But how exactly do you do that? In this quick Skool explainer, we'll dive into actionable strategies to market your community, get more members, and increase engagement. First, let's start with your content. You can't market what you don't have. For Skool to be successful, your content needs to be valuable and consistent. Upload courses, create discussions, and make sure your content speaks to the core needs of your audience. People will only join if they see real value, so make your content easy to access, easy to follow, and packed with insights. The better your content, the easier it'll be to market your Skool community. Next, leverage your email list. If you've already built up an email list, Skool makes it easy to drive traffic. You can send targeted emails about new content, events, or even member spotlights to keep engagement high. Remind people about the value of your community and highlight the exclusive resources they can access by joining. Consistent email marketing with clear calls to action can drive continuous signups. The third thing to focus on is social media. Promote your Skool community across your social channels. Showcase your community's success stories, member testimonials, and sneak peeks of exclusive content. Don't just post for the sake of posting. Make sure each post has a clear call to action directing users to your Skool community. Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook are powerful platforms for this, but don't underestimate LinkedIn if you're in a more professional niche. Next, partnerships and collaborations. Partnering with influencers, experts, or people in your industry who have large followings can be a game changer. You can offer them exclusive access to your Skool community or collaborate on live sessions. These influencers or collaborators will help you reach their audience and generate buzz around your community. Make sure it's a good fit and not just a paid promotion. Authenticity goes a long way in building trust. The fifth thing to consider is paid ads. While organic methods are great, sometimes you need a push. Skool doesn't have the same built-in marketing features as some other platforms, so running Facebook or Google ads can help. Focus on targeting niche audiences who will benefit from your community's content and structure. Use testimonials and strong hooks in your ad copy to encourage clicks. You can even run a free trial promotion to entice people to sign up. Finally, community-driven marketing. Don't forget to ask your existing members to help. User-generated content is highly effective, and happy members can share your Skool community on their own networks. Encourage members to invite their friends or share experiences on social media. Create a referral program where people get perks for bringing in new members. Now, you've got a better idea of how to market your Skool community, but let's be real for a second. While Skool is powerful, it does have limitations, especially when it comes to marketing automation and member engagement features. You might find that you need additional tools to truly scale your community's marketing. That's why I recommend checking out alternatives like Circle or Mighty Networks. These platforms are specifically designed with more advanced marketing features, like built-in email marketing, seamless integrations, and stronger community building tools. These alternatives also have free trials, and through the link below, you'll get the best possible deal, exclusive benefits, and access to their most powerful features. So, whether you're sticking with Skool or branching out, there are great options for marketing your community. If you want more flexibility and power for your marketing goals, make sure you explore these alternatives. And remember, you'll get an exclusive free trial through the link below. Don't miss out.